No! We don't like that. We don't like it.
Well, I haven't crashed my Spitfire in about a year. Or I haven't crashed a single plane in about a year. Properly crashed.
Oh. Get in there. See if that thing is on. Nope. Good thing I checked.
Wait, what is this?
That's my satellite. Good thing I checked. You were about to say talking about crashing a plane. If I had flown it, it would have crashed.
Why?
There.
Is there like a rainbow light in there?
That's because that's the gyro.
Why is it rainbow?
Oh, that's his fail-safe. See now, good thing you said that, because then I checked the plane. If I would have flown it, it would have crashed.
Why?
Because I had is it on? On now, okay. Because it was in bind mode. If it's in bind mode, that's no good.
Why? What will it do?
It won't have. It'll only have one receiver. Needs two. See ya. All right.
Landing flaps.
I never see two.
See everybody next year.
What is she shouting?
Okay, so this one's
Timer
a
clear.
fast flight.
Ooh, that was the clouds coming in, Ray.
Woohoo! Maybe. All right, this is going to be a very fast flight because I've got to get this thing disassembled and put away.
You could take me up in another flight.
No, I don't think I'm going to have time. Me.
My battery's charging right.
You don't have time.
Please. No one else will. And I don't want to destroy the plane and not be able to go for it.
You're going to have to fly it mostly after dark then.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Is there a rule when you have to stop flying?
Technically after sunset, but I fly longer.
How much longer? Is this going to be the last flight? Why can't you take me up for one?
No, it's because I have to fly my planes.
But I can't fly my plane then. Get me on and then I'll leave. Please, Ray.
You don't really need me to fly. You can fly on your own.
Fourth flight,
You
Ray.
can kind of fly on your own, right?
I can, but I don't really like flying on my own. It's the fourth flight of a new plane.
Time remaining
Get
1
off.
minute.
Well, where's Nate? Is Nate already gone?
Yeah. You must walk. So I can't blame him because it's crashes.
Nate's still here. Yeah, just ask him to go up with you one more time.
He won't. That's the thing. You're on Nate's foot. So you're my only option and help. So please.
30 seconds.
All right, I've got 30 seconds more for this. Then I got to fly the F-15 in the dark.
So,
Down.
where is the place that you helped me fly?
Let me put this thing down.
Here it comes. We're about to be faster
9.
than
Don't say that. What do you say that for?
Landing flaps. 6.
we are
5,
about
4,
to.
3, 2, 1.
0.
Time
Oh, you're talking about the
five.
explosion from the timer? Splat!
Sounded like
Flaps
it.
up.
It was a splat.
install it when it's got to the ground. I install it when it's like an inch away from the ground.
Kerplunk. Kerplunk.
How fast can this roll before I fall on it?
That's it. Don't do that. I gotta put the gear away. Okay, let go. Let go. I gotta pick it up. I gotta pick it up. I gotta pick it up!
I'll do it.
No, not that way. There we go.
Like that?
That guy.
Gear up.
Sorry, okay, but one of your gears just fell out.
Nope, all good. Nah, it's perfect weather right now. Perfect weather right now.
I don't know if I buy that.
Perfect.
I'm getting ready to take my long sleeve shirt off.
Crazy little Jack.